ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನುಭವ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನೈಟಿಂಗೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ರವರ ಬಾನುಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಸಚಿವಾಲಯ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಜಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿದವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಅಲೋಕ್ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಸಾಯಿ ಸುಧಾ, ಪೂಜಾ ಮರುಡ, ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ. ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಿದೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ, ಆಪ್ತ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇತರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 145667. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 14567. ಈ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8ರಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ತನಕ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೋಣ.
Everybody, I am Lalita Rao. I would like to introduce my colleagues, Prabha Kumar here and Satya and Shubha. We would like to choose the topic loneliness in elders, especially in gents. So, I would ask some questions to you, sir. What is loneliness?
Yes. No, because before it is loneliness in gents. So you are.
Loneliness, got plenty of time in my hand and I don't know what to do. I am with my daughter only. I lost my wife 5 years back. So she is being a doctor. She is busy in her duty. So practically 24 hours you can say that I am alone. Whatever my personal things to be done, and plus 6 to 7 hours I sleep. Only maximum 10 to 12 hours in a day I will be able to occupy myself. Another 12 hours I don't know what to do.
How do you spend the day, sir?
I read a lot of books and listen to music. And I am member in 3 senior citizen groups. And I do online courses. And I listen to spiritual talks. And I participate in those spiritual talks. So I am able to spend my time. But even though I joined 3 organizations, senior citizen, everything is after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Morning time is fully maybe by 8 to 9 o'clock, maybe I come with my all my morning calls. 9 to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock is the problem. Then I do these things.
Now let's have the subject of loneliness in elderly ladies. So, Satya, you're living in a combined family. You have your children, grandchildren, everybody with you. How do you still you feel lonely? How do you feel lonely? Why do you feel lonely?
It's a good question. Say everybody, my son, daughter-in-law, granddaughter, great daughter, everybody is there. But they are all in their own way. They are doing, my son and daughter-in-law, everybody will go to the office. They are on their work. Children are on their work. They don't want to play with the grandparents. So they have their own. Now the computer is there. They are playing with that. So still I do my whole work, cooking, playing. I spend my time with doing some Sudoku and then reading books, spiritual books and all. Still I feel lonely. I don't know what to say about this.
After all this, how you will spend the day? After all your activities?
I go out for a walk, go to the park and there the elders will come. Some elder people will become. I teach them yoga and all for that. Still also, when I come back, nothing to do in the house. So I feel lonely. when I go out, I have so many work, but when I come to inside the house, I feel little lonely. What do you say?
What about the outdoor activities? Anything you are doing? You
Yes,
go to
outdoor.
park and all that. Other than that,
Other than that, nothing much. I go to the to buy groceries. That all I'll do because I don't like to buy online. So I go personally, bring grocery to my house, choose everything. Lanta, what do you think about this loneliness?
Well, I can say something. As I have written, gone are the days I used to make delicious melting chocolate cakes. Now can't even eat what I bake. Age has made me really shake. Stomach rumbling, I hesitate to take. Mouth-watering eatables, I forsake. Can't imagine this is mine. So this is what loneliness is with all of us. I love painting, sketching, and I sometimes do write small poems like this or some skits which I like to enact, make my friends also join me, and I enjoy.
I do puja and slokas. I say the slokas in this one. So I do online paintings and all. I do see the paintings. So that's all I spend my time in.
I will, after my all cooking work and all, morning I will get up and I will do all pranayamas and yoga, walking and all. After that I will start my cooking, whatever it is. After that evening, I will be free little. Then I will listen to music. If I feel like to dance, I will dance. If I feel very lonely, means I will do that.
Thank you.
Dances.
my day starts at 4:30. Normally I get up at 4:30. Up to 6 o'clock I read some scriptures and other things. And then 6 o'clock to 7:30 I go for walk. 7:30 I come back, take bath, and then another 40-45 minutes of my yoga and asanas and other things. And then I go for a temple. Just opposite to my house there is a temple. Every day I visit temple and come back. Then I spend around 2 hours with the newspaper. I read newspaper and puzzles in newspaper, Sudoku and other puzzles I do. And 11 o'clock go into the kitchen. At 12 o'clock I have my lunch. From 12:30, 12:45 to 3 o'clock, reading some books, newspaper, or listening to music. And evening class, 3 o'clock, classes starts. So 3 to 5, 5:30, these classes will be there. 6 o'clock, normally I go for shopping, some vegetables. Basically, I would like to go and purchase vegetables and fruits. Rest of the provisions and other things, we can online order. My daughter says, you don't carry any weight, so I will do all those things. So it comes. At again 7 o'clock, there will be spiritual discussions and other things. I start that. And 8:30, or every day regularly ISKCON. There is a discussion, ISKCON discussions, and Japa will be there. And that is maybe 8:30 my lunch, my dinner. 8:30 to 10 I will be busy with the ISKCON program. Every day that is the ISKCON program. 10 o'clock flights.
Your good name, sir?
I am Sivaguru.
Thank you.
ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೇಳುಗರೆ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದಿದೆ. ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಗೆ, ಆಪ್ತ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇತರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 14567. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 14567. ಈ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿಯು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8ರಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ತನಕ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.